Now again, I good morning to all the students of class 2. In previous class, I discussed you about the why do we wear clothes, how early man uses clothes, how early man discovered the clothes, how early man made the clothes. Now I discuss you in these online classes that just listen all of you that at the present time now I or any other, we wear different types of cloth. We wear different types of cloth. And the clothes are made of different things also. This is right or wrong, students? It is right. Clothes are made of different things. And we wear different types of cloth also. So, today topic is what to wear. What to wear. First of all, just listen. If there is hot around us, or we say that when it is hot, what do you want to wear? What do you want to wear in hot? Of course, you wear light cotton clothes. You wear light cotton clothes in hot. Yes or no? Yes. You, I all want to wear light cotton clothes in hot days. Yes or no, student? Yes. But you know, these light clothes are made from which? These light clothes are made from cotton. These light clothes are made from cotton. And these cotton are made from cotton plant. Listen, this is the important points that I discuss you. What I said that we wear light cotton clothes in hot days. And these cotton clothes are made from cotton. And cotton are made from cotton plants. Understand? Yes. Next, in rainy day, what do you want to wear? If I say that you go out in rain, what do you want to wear, or what do you carry out in rain? Of course, you carry out umbrellas or you wear raincoat. Yes or no? Yes, in rainy day or rainy season. And do you know these raincoats are made from which? Raincoats are made from plastic. Made from plastic. Yes or no? Yes. Or one things that you wear in rainy season. You wear raincoat or you carry umbrellas, and one thing also you wear in rainy days or rainy season. And name is, what is the name? Gum boats. Gum boats. Gum boats are made from rubber. Gum boats are made from rubber. And rubber comes from where? Where does the rubber comes from? Rubber comes from the rubber tree. Rubber comes from the rubber tree. And listen what I say. I said that in rainy season, we or you, I or you or any person wear raincoat, gum boat or carry umbrella in rainy days. Yes or no? But in these points, listen what I say. Two things you have to listen: raincoat or gum boat. Raincoats are made from plastic, you say that, and gum boats are made from rubber. Yes or no? Yes. And rubber comes from the rubber tree. Rubber comes from rubber tree. Understand or not? But I think many students thinks about that, sir, you told me that rubber comes from the rubber tree and plastic comes from where? Yes, this is the good question that you raise. Plastic does not comes from anywhere. Plastic is made by us. Plastic is made by us. Understand? Plastic is not made from anywhere and does not comes from anywhere. Plastic is made by us. It is clear? Next is in cold days. In cold days, what do you want to wear? You want to wear thick clothes? Yes or no? You want to wear thick clothes. And the thick clothes made of which? You get the thick clothes and you wear the thick clothes. But the thick clothes are made from which? Thick clothes are made from wool. Thick clothes are made from wool. And where does you wool get? From where you get wool? You get wool from sheep, goat, etc. Yes or no, student? Yes. So we can say that we wear different types of clothes, and the clothes are made from different things also. Understand, student? Yes or no? Yes. Listen, we wear shoes and socks. We wear shoes and socks also. Why we wear shoes and socks? Give answer. Why you and I wear shoes and socks? You know, we wear shoes and socks because to protect our feet. To protect our feet. So we wear shoes and socks. Yes or no? Socks are made from cotton, wool or nylon. You say that socks are made from cotton, nylon or wool. Understand? Yes or no? Yes. Listen what I say. I said that socks are made from cotton, nylon or wool. Socks are made. And you think that, sir, you said that socks are made from wool, nylon or cotton, but the shoes are made from. Yes, this is a good point. Shoes are made from. Where does the shoes made from? Tell me, where does the shoes made? Shoes comes from where? Give answer. Where does the shoes comes? Shoes comes from the made of rubber or leather. I think many students wear the shoes of rubber or leather. Yes or no? So, why would you think? Quick say that, sir, socks are made from cotton, wool or nylon. Rubber and leather are commonly used to make shoes. Yes or no? Yes. And why do we wear shoes and socks? We wear shoes and socks to protect our feet. Yes or no? And where does the leather made? Leather is made from the animal skin. Leather is made from the animal skin. Yes or no? Yes. Leather is made from the animal skin. From the animal skin, you made the leather. Understand? Very good. So, I think that many students can understand about this topic. Yes or no, student? Yes. So, thanks to all the students of class 2.